Hey everybody, welcome to Light. Today, we're going to go over the top 5 morning routine I created for a productive day at college that changed my life. Own your morning. Elevate your life. This morning routine changed my life for the better. This is 80 Minutes Morning Routine for a productive day at college. 10 minutes. Read the news. As students, we don't always have a lot of free time. But by reading a news piece first thing in the morning will allow you to slowly wake up and keep up to date with important issues around the world. 40 minutes. Get ready for the day. Do what you gotta do. This tends to be what takes up the most amount of time in the mornings. 10 minutes. Make coffee or tea. Getting caffeinated is an essential part of many students' morning routine. 15 minutes. Eating breakfast. Here are a few tasks to get done. Take your daily vitamin. Check and respond to emails. 5 minutes. The first lesson of the day. I use this time to read, but you could use this time to fit your own interests. When studying the habits of successful people, one aspect stands out that they all have in common: a morning routine that they've carefully crafted and that they follow every day. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of new productive things and much more. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.